Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw records from Smartsheet with calculated rows recalculated, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw records from Smartsheet with recalculated rows, begin by logging into your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the specific sheet you want to extract data from. In the top menu, locate the File option and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Export. Choose the format you want to export your data in, such as Excel or Google Sheets. Before proceeding, ensure that you have made any necessary updates or adjustments to your sheet. If your sheet contains calculated columns, be aware that these may not update automatically in the export. To ensure that your calculated rows reflect the most current data, go to the Actions menu. From the Actions menu, select Recalculate to refresh all calculations. Once all rows are updated, return to the File menu. Revisit the Export option and select your desired file format again. Confirm that you have the latest data and click to export the sheet. Save the file to your preferred location on your computer. Open the file in your chosen application to review the exported data. Check the calculated fields to ensure they display correctly. If everything appears fine, you have successfully withdrawn records from Smartsheet with recalculated rows. In case of any discrepancies, double-check the calculations within Smartsheet before exporting again. Your extraction is now complete, and you can proceed with further analysis as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.